Hi friends, in this video I will be covering what are the issues covered in the warranty of Wakefit mattress and what are the issues which are not covered in the warranty. So this is a warranty card of Wakefit mattress. In this warranty card we can find a table which explains the product name and warranty period. So as per this table, the warranty of orthopedic mattress is 10 years. First, let me check what are the issues covered under this warranty. Issue 1: mattress shrinkage, deformity, or sagging of more than 1 inch, except when corners sag due to tightly wrapped bed sheets. Issue 2: undulations on the mattress surface or splits in the foam material. So, these two issues are covered under warranty. Next, let me check what are not covered under warranty. Issue 1: normal softening or sagging, that is less than 1 inch, is not covered. 2. Damage to the mattress due to misuse and abuse is not covered. 3. Fabric and foam staining, soiling, fluid penetration, tear or burns are not covered. 4. Use of mattress on a bed base that was structurally not capable of handling the mattress is also not covered. 5. Damage on mattress cover also not covered. 6. Damage on zipper on the mattress also not come under warranty. 7. Unauthorized service during the warranty period, that also won't come under the warranty. So these are the issues which don't come under warranty. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. In the right side we can see the steps which explains how to submit the warranty claim. 5 steps are there. Please check it. Claim we can submit via email ID or WhatsApp number. Email ID is support@wakefit.co. WhatsApp number is 988 33 123.